Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got some light switches off of Amazon. This seems to work with Amazon and Google Assistant and IFTTT. These are the product specifications here. Let's go ahead and get this unboxing started. It does not have an easy pull-off tab like most of Amazon's devices. See here, we've got a user manual, some pretty basic instructions, and some wire labels, which is handy since these are going directly into the wall. Alright, looks like we have, right here, 2 light switches. One for each switch. Oh, that's neat. Comes with plates to put up against the wall. Oh, and a double plate. That's handy. And then this looks like this set came with 4 switches. Looks like it's basically all the same stuff that was in the last box. And there you have it. That would be the smart switches that we got off of Amazon. Thank you for watching.